Hi everyone! Today we are exploring one of the very first and largest bird park in Penang. Whether you are a bird lover or simply someone who enjoys a day out in nature, this place is bound to impress. As soon as you step foot in Penang Bird Park, you are greeted by the sights and sounds of nature. With over 300 species of birds from around the world, this place is a bird lover's dream come true. These birds are so friendly and they are very cute. It's such a special experience to get this close to these magnificent creatures. Penang Bird Park is also a home to several species of tortoise and crocodile. One of the highlights here is the interactive bird encounters. Visitors have the chance to see a bird show at 3 p.m. The park offers a variety of facilities to make your visit even more enjoyable. There's a stall to grab a snack, a gift shop to pick up bird-themed souvenirs, and plenty of shaded seating areas where you can relax and take in sights. Overall, my visit to Penang Bird Park has been an unforgettable experience. It's not just about seeing birds, it's also about connecting with nature, learning, and creating lasting memories. Whether you're here for the beauty of the birds or for a fun family outing, this park is definitely worth the visit.